Hello guys, my name is Dr. Shubham Malhotra. I cleared my Fmge exam in January 2023 and currently I am doing second year of our internship in GMC Amritsar. So today video I made for my friends, those who are going to give Fmge exam in January 2025. So here are the 5 most important things that you should do in the last month of your strategy. The first one is revision. So guys, revision is, as you already know, revision is the utmost important thing and you should do it thoroughly. So my strategy is, you have 30 days left. So you can do 2 times revision. How? Let's see. So for example, we have 19 subjects. In that, 4 subjects are short. For example, psychiatry, anesthesia, derma, ortho. So what you will do now is, we will come back to that later. So let's focus on the rest 15 subjects, the big subjects. So you will give 1 day for each subject, okay? So like this, you will do 2 times revision. That is the first thing that I would like to tell you. And the second thing is daily question practice. And I have told this utmost times and I have done it myself also. I have done 50 questions a day in my Fmge preparation time. So why? Because when you will do questions every day, your mind gets into that habit of solving the questions and it will help you in your real exam. Trust me guys. So the second thing is daily question practice. So now also what you can do is, when you are solving your questions, try to read the explanation also, because a lot of students, what they will do is they will try to cram the answer and that will not help you in any way. Because if you know the topic very well, the same topic can be asked in a different way and you can answer that well. So the second thing is daily question practice. The third thing is weekly mock. So if you have 30 days left, you can give 4 mocks. And remember, I told you that 4 subjects, psychiatry, derma, anesthesia and ortho. What you can do is, when you will give your mock every Sunday, after that mock, study that short subject, and this way you will also revise that short subject in this last month. So the third thing is give mocks. Now the fourth thing is, it's a silly thing that lot of my friends and lot of my juniors have seen. What they would do is, if they have studied from some resource, say Prep Ladder, Marrow, MIST, for their 6 months of journey, but in the end, I don't know whether it is FOMO or they are having fear of the exam, they try to go to rapid revision courses of different resources. And trust me guys, it will not help you. So stick to your own resource, whatever it is. So this is the fourth thing that I would like to tell. Fifth thing is, and this is the most important thing out of all 5, trust yourself. Trust your instincts. When you are sitting in the exam, whatever answer option comes to your mind the first time, mark it. 95% of the times it is going to be right, because your brain already knows the right answer and you have to mark it like that only. So these are the 5 things that I would like to tell you in the last month of preparation. And I would like to say best of luck to all my friends, those who are going to prepare, those who are going to appear in Jan 2025 Fmge exam. Thank you.